In today's episode, we're exploring a textile factory from what was one of Italy's largest cotton companies. In the late 1800s, a handful of large textile factories like this one were built as technology advanced. Due to financial troubles within the company and high running costs of this factory, it was shut down in the early 2000s. Come with us and see what was left behind. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. Start protecting yourself on the web at nordvpn.com/properpeople and use the code PROPERPEOPLE at checkout to get 75% off a 3-year plan. Once again, we're joined by our friends Toby, Marco, and Till from the Broken Window Theory crew. Toby informed us that this complex has become a shelter for many homeless people and that some of them aren't very friendly. We wanted to explore as much of the facility as possible without hanging around late enough to run into any of them. It's a van, scrapped completely. Except the frame.
It's a fucking expensive one. It's Mercedes. That's it.
Did they just drive it in here? Yeah.
If they stole a car, they probably just cut the gate open or drove through it. A gate's not gonna stop you if you're committing Grand Theft Auto. Wow, that's a lot of building.
This place is freaking huge.
It's wet.
You would think it was raining outside by the way the water is falling in here, but it's sunny, clear skies outside.
You should take a look at this. This is insane.
Okay. Does this connect?
Yes, it's the same roof.
All of their paperwork just completely water damaged.
Wow.
Wow, there's so many computers. All the coats are still in here.
I wonder if any of the vagrants who live in here grabbed one of these jackets and is walking the streets of Italy in one of these.
Look how huge this place is.
Yeah.
It's all
Unfortunately, all of these keyboards are completely jammed up.
it's raining in here.
Yeah, I just want to be able to, click them. Kind of.
Look at the huge piles of pigeon shit.
What are all those mounds on the desks over there?
Pigeon shit. Stacks of it.
That is all
They sit up there.
pigeon shit.
It smells really bad.
Jeez. There's some interesting looking stuff left in here, actually.
Over here. Without chairs and chilling.
Everything looks very 80s. Okay, we looked it up, and this was produced from 1971 until sometime in the 80s, and it was used as data storage using magnetic tapes. You can see these lines of pigeon poop on the floor. It's like a heat map of where the pigeons like to sit up there. They really like this center cross piece there because the mounds are all higher right there. Looks like a meeting room or something.
You need to see the secret staircase.
There's a secret staircase.
Yes. It's not secret, it's just like really small.
Okay.
And you get in a really weird room where there's a lot of fabric around, like cotton and stuff.
Sounds interesting.
Like a lot of samples.
This is supposed to be the secret staircase. Let's check it out. This kind of reminds me of a classroom.
Looks like a science lab with science stuff.
They're all just workshop desks,
Yeah.
though. It's a photo from the factory floor. Look at the stuff on the floor. It's like samples.
These were drafting tables. So they light up from underneath.
Damn, the water damage in here is bad. It's every room. Oh, look, they're showing how the fabric looks like when it's stretched.
Yep, more computers. Just walk through a big cobweb.
Computers are like the perfect thing for dating when a place was abandoned.
Yeah.
Curtains are still here. We've got some art over there. And nature's art over here. They're both just like abstract patterns. We heard a lot of vagrants come in here in the afternoon, and you don't want to be in here late because most of them are not friendly, from what we've heard.
A lot of files in this room. More typewriters. Like the homeless person's hangout table.
Yeah. Look at these phones, Brian. They're designed like rotary phones, but they're not. These must have been from the era right after they stopped using rotary phones, and people were still used to this design.
Yeah.
And then they switched over to this more modern design.
This is an old tape answering machine.
I guess before they had computers to
yeah,
do
yeah.
their accounting.
Look at this. 2 million, I guess. But it must be can be euro. Yeah. So otherwise,
Euro didn't exist then.
Yeah, exactly. Otherwise, this would be 112
Yeah.
million.
They're probably huge bulk sales.
Mhm. Then you got the records of the bank.
There's also some like $80 stuff, $42. Well, not dollar, whatever currency this is in. So what year is this from? 1988. And that's just their costs, I guess.
Mhm.
Just look at all the books from 1988 alone.
Yeah.
And then
But those
Yeah.
ones even have several.
they have clients, clienti.
They got their own.
Okay, their currency was the lira, and 1,936 lira is to 1 euro.
Okay, so it was just a very inflated currency.
What's our official bank documents?
These are all from 87, 88, and 89. All the books are at least. So there's 1990.
Yeah, 90, you got 90 there.
So all these books are just from a few years.
It's full of these tapes. And this thing, it
Oh,
fell
yeah.
over since the last time I was here. So now it's blocked.
There's a lot of tapes in there for sure. These were all their digital records. It's a raised floor in here, but that's gone. Old tape systems. Wow. This is what they'd use to measure out and cut fabric and make designs.
Okay, we're only one floor above ground level now.
It's burned out.
This looks like a public area
Mm-hmm.
of the building, or like where guests would see.
You can see what happened here.
Fire?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's where initially the refugees lived. You can still see like the construction.
So was it like an official shelter, or they were just living in here
No, illegally.
illegally? Okay.
And they lit a campfire and burned the place down.
And here was the sales department for Italy and for their exports. There's a lot of wires going all over the place in here. Looks like an electrical hazard.
Yeah, there's no power, so.
Yeah.
Yes. These are their suppliers, a list of their suppliers.
It looks like a horror movie scene in here with the black ash dripping down all the walls.
Here is, oh shit. You scared me.
Sorry.
Yeah, that was-
Oh, that room down there looks really cool.
Alright, let's go down here.
What was in creation? Like here it's a creation department, so
This is like their studio
yeah,
where they'd actually create the designs.
experiments and stuff, but other textiles. Is this a label machine?
Yeah.
Let's label something.
I wonder how many of the homeless people who lived in here took clothes from here
Yeah, why not?
and are still wearing
Wait,
them.
this is
Probably
cool.
quite a few. It's like a little slideshow.
Yeah, it's a machine.
Modern art up on the walls.
Yeah, but that's where they created like new stuff.
The art on the walls are all made of fabric, which is pretty cool.
This is for sweet.
These sketches are really
Oh,
cool.
these are German sweet. Like pralines. Pralines, I don't know.
Demonetize us for the underwear models.
But that's okay for YouTube.
Yeah, this is good for YouTube right here.
This is like for
Once
for
you get to the
sleeping.
lingerie, we might get demonetized.
This is for sleeping.
Oh, demonetization. Oh. Ban.
What year is this from?
Ooh, that's sexy. Let's check. Yeah, that's not even.
Should be a publishing date.
Maybe on the spine.
Oh, this is intimate. Like it's only
The
underwear.
intimate line.
Yes. Shit. I forgot my.
I feel like we find these everywhere we go.
I don't know. Yeah, it's just a sewing machine or something.
Yeah, that's what all of them are, I think.
Yeah, they're just machinery. Actually, I think you can see it better if I hold it up to the window, just because it's farther away and not LED looking. I just got a whiff of something.
Oh, me too.
It smells sour. Just get injured on the job is where you go.
They had their own infirmary here. It's like a little city.
Just pay attention because the last time I was here, I found some fresh poop, like people shit.
Like human.
Oh yeah, there was human shit up in that room behind the thing. You want me to walk behind?
Oh, really?
There's toilet paper everywhere.
Jeez.
Wow, this is cool.
Oh, the medical cabinets and everything are still in here.
There's some cool looking beds right here. The decay is all natural.
What the heck is an Oscilloflux 2000? Sounds like some made up thing from a movie.
How much wider the 14 is. This is all natural decay. It's really cool. Recently, the power plant on the property was demolished, but due to the toxic chemicals left behind, further demolition has been delayed.
This is probably where the power plant was. It's all gone now.
No future plans have been confirmed, and the building will continue to decay. NordVPN, the sponsor of today's video, is the best way to ensure that you are kept safe online. NordVPN is an easy-to-use VPN service which encrypts all internet traffic leaving your device so nobody in the middle can see what the traffic is. Your traffic is completely invisible to content filters, ISPs, and even malicious snooping. We use the service when we're traveling and connecting to public networks like hotels, airports, and cafes, as they may be unsecure and you never know who is really looking at your information. NordVPN works on all your devices with up to 6 simultaneous connections and has unlimited bandwidth. Make sure your internet traffic is safe by using military-grade encryption with NordVPN. Get 75% off a 3-year plan with an extra month for free at nordvpn.com/properpeople and use the code PROPERPEOPLE at checkout. That's nordvpn.com/PROPERPEOPLE.